What is up, everybody? It's all helpful content. Today I got with me the Gamesir collab with the AIM Labs, the G7 Pro 8K PC, the all-new wireless esports controller for PC. And today I'm doing a unboxing as I am very crazy about controllers, stick drift, pulling rate, input latency. You have it. The previous winner was the ZD Gaming Ultimate Legend. If you look back at my other videos, you will see I did a unboxing and a review on it. I did compare that to the AIM Pro controller and compared it to the ZD Gaming. Well, now they're saying that this might be the new king. So let's first just do the unboxing here today with me, guys and gals. And let's go into that, and I will follow up with a video of my review and a comparison to the current champion for best FPS gaming controller, which is the ZD Gaming Ultimate Legend. But I just got it in today. Let's do the unboxing. I know you guys want to see what's inside, so let's take a look here. You got 8K pulling rate, the drift-proof TMR sticks, grip vibration, Hall clicky trigger stops, Gamesir Connect app. Pretty cool. You can connect your app to it. Look in the back of it here. High precision TMR sticks, linear output, ultra long lifespan, optical micro switch, ABXY buttons, ultra long lifespan, ultra fast trigger response. Supposedly they're saying this one is king, so we will see on that. 2 mappable buttons. That's one thing I really not a fan of. It has the bottom mappable buttons here. You got one here and one here, and then you got the 2 up here. Now with the ZD Gaming, you also have one here and one down here as well, which is it comes in clutch, especially if you want to like mute your game and you do the other one to mute the chat. It's really cool, especially if you're streaming. ZD Gaming definitely has a hands up on that. And then of course micro switch, Hall effect, toggleable triggers. All right, let's open it up. Again, I am just going through the portion of opening this thing up and unboxing it. Today's just the unboxing video, so let's get right into it. So I will keep it 100. I will not front with you guys. Let's take a look here and be on the lookout for that video when it comes. All right, well, right off the back here, let's see what this is. This is pretty cool, a little pouch, or what is this? Okay, so it is a wireless charger. As you can see there's the connector, and I think you can also run it on battery. Yes, you can. Or wait, yeah, that is another USB port that you can stick in there, as you can see right there. Model product charger station. There you go. And let's close that up. As that. And we got the controller. Let's take a look at the controller. I like how they covered the sticks real nicely here so it doesn't create any drift. You know, some companies, you know, they won't have a coverage like this. They'll just have it in a box. And you know, this just shows me that they went a little extra for the care. All right, let's remove that. Wow, I really like this color here. It looks really nice. I like the green so far. Okay, let's just move this out the way temporarily. We'll get right back to it. All right, let's go into the feel of it. Wow, this thing is not as big as a Xbox controller. It looks like an Xbox controller, but it's actually smaller. It does not feel heavy as an Xbox controller does. So let's see here. All right, so right off the back here, as you can see, mouse clicky, directional pad. Pretty much, probably this is a charge button here or something. You got another button here where I'm gonna have to look into this, and I'll let you guys know how I end up programming this stuff. Then you got the XYBA button, and this here is grippy, the sides of it. You can feel the grip, so you know your hands don't slide off when you're playing. You got a button there, Analogs feel pretty good so far. Oh, I like how you can see through that. Look at that. That looks pretty nice. That feels good. This does not feel like a mouse click to me. And then you can lock these up by basically just dragging that in and dragging that in. Okay, this does feel like a mouse click. And then of course you got your buttons here. What does this do? I guess you can lock these as well. Interesting. Oh, so you can lock it so it's not usable. Interesting. Okay. And then here in the center here, you have a switch for wired. And then if you want to move it to the left, as you can see, it is Bluetooth. Okay. Got a couple buttons down here as well. Not sure what these do yet. We'll figure that out later. All right, first impressions, I like it. It is a little smaller than the Xbox controller, and it definitely does not feel as heavy as the Xbox controller. So first impressions, I do like the way this looks. I like the grips here on the sides so your hands don't slide. This is all a mouse click, like I mentioned. Analogs do feel kind of nice here. In this angle, you can play claw real easily. And of course, you could just play regular. I'm not sure about these back pedals here that we have back here, how comfortable that will feel, because the controller is a little smaller and I do have sort of fat, big hands. So I'm not sure if I can actually maneuver back there and press that button on the fly when I need it, because it is a little smaller, but we'll test it out in game. Let's look further into the box, see what else is in here. Okay, the AimLabs version came with more accessories, so let's take a look into it. Here is that USB connector. Then you have, let's take a look here. Okay, you have these two directional pads if you want different styling. And of course there is your cable. Nice solid cable, looks like a good quality as well. I like that. Okay, and here we go. So they kind of cheaped out and put them in these little baggies. I would have preferred a nice little box, you know, like a case for it would have been perfect. I don't like how they put it in a baggie. And it looks like you're gonna have different sizes. Yep. So as you can see here, this one is the long, and then you got the shorter version of that. And then you see the shorter versions of that, and then another short version. So yeah, that's pretty much it for the video. Let's just see the front of these. Okay, they're kind of like a dome shaped. Let's see the other ones. Okay, dome, another dome. Okay, here's a flat one. Okay, so they did give me different designs as well, which is pretty cool. I like that. Okay, and then of course you got your book in here, and that's pretty much it. There you go. You're gonna have your booklet with a thank you, join the community, a sticker, your manual, and AimLabs partnership. Redeem code for your first month free. Explore our AimLab Premium's features and learn how they can improve your aim training. Okay, interesting. All right. Well, there you have it, ladies and gentlemen. I just wanted to go over a quick unboxing. I will go over a review on a new video. They're saying this is the king, so let's can't wait to get into it, and I'll keep you guys posted. Make sure to like and subscribe for more videos and tutorials, all helpful content to help you stay informed and not get cheated. Hopefully you enjoyed this video. Give it a thumbs up and a like, subscribe. You guys have a great rest of your night. Until next time, thanks for watching all helpful content.